Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to the page once again. This is Sodom Business Consults. It's been a long time. I made a video on this channel. Today we're going to learn how to set up a project in XAMPP and how to also create a database. Basically, let me show you the project that we are going to work on. Okay, so let me log in as an admin. This is the school management project that we are going to learn how to create it using programming language. Okay, so if I log in as an admin, this is where I will have my dashboard. From here I can manage students, I can add new students and so on and so forth. I can even print student report cards. Okay, let me just filter out something and see if I have some reports here for you to see. I think I don't have students currently. Let me check. Okay, so let me check this one. No reports for this student. Let me see this one too. Okay, so I think I have a report for this particular student. Okay, so this is basically a school management system that we're gonna learn how to do. Okay, so if this is the first time that you are watching me, if you are not part of this big community, I will urge you to subscribe to the channel, comment on the videos, share the videos with your friends. Let's go together. Okay, so this is the dashboard for admin. So basically this is what we're going to learn how to do. Okay, let me log out and log in as a teacher. So as a teacher, this will be my dashboard. From here I can print assessments sheet. Okay, where I'll have the name of my students with the number of subject that they are taking. Then we have the exam score and class score. You just record it manually. If you don't want to do it that way, you can record it straight away on your dashboard, or better still, you can come to this site and look for enter results. So the form will open for you. You have your student name, the subjects that you are in charge as a teacher. Okay, so you just enter them, you submit it, and the result will be generated automatically. So it's a complete student or school management system that we are going to learn how to do. Maybe you are IT staff in a particular school. If you learn it and learn it well, it will help you in a way. You can design some for your school, and I think your director will be proud of you. So don't just quit the video, watch from the beginning to the end. Okay, so basically this is what we're going to learn how to do. So let me log out and log in as an accountant or as an account officer. Here I'm going to have my dashboard, so you can see the total fee to be collected, then the outstanding balance. Sorry, this is the total amount that has been collected, and then the outstanding. Then this is what we are expecting for the pay. Okay, so you can record fee payment by students from here, or you can use this menu. It's the same thing we're going to see. You can see fee summary. Okay, so just choose the class that you're looking for, academic year, then you filter, you see it's over there. So if you take this student, this is what we're expecting from him, and he has paid 50 cedis, and we are expecting 150 from him. That's why we have the status to be partial. So it's a complete school management system that I have designed, and I want to share with you how to design it. Okay, so what I want from you is to share my videos, subscribe to the channel, and comment on them. That's the only thing I need from you. Okay. Now, for you to do this, there are some things that we need to get in place. Okay, first of all, you need to get XAMPP. Okay, you have to download and install XAMPP on your PC. Okay, I will leave a description. I will leave a video link under this video description so that you can watch a video on how to download and install XAMPP on your PC, how to set it up, and how to run it locally on your PC. Okay, without it, there's no way you can follow me. So I will leave a video link under this video description, so just go and watch it. So I presume you've watched that video, so you know how to download and install it on your PC. And another thing that you need is also a text editor, where we're going to use it for our code. In a text editor, you can use Notepad++ or Visual Code. For me, I'm using Notepad++. Okay, so that one too, I will leave a video link. That one too, you have to watch and learn how to download and install a text editor on your PC. So don't ignore that. So I presume you have all those things in place. Now what is left for us is to create our database and also create our directory folder. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do, we're going to create our directory folder where we're going to keep all our files. Okay, so let's go to our local disk. So you click on that, then you look for XAMPP. Okay, and our local disk, you look for XAMPP. There is it. You click on that, then inside XAMPP you look for htdocs. Okay, you see it over here, htdocs. You double click on that. Then over here we're going to create our directory folder. Now let me show you the directory folder for this database. I'm going to show you how to design. Okay, so this is the database I'm going to show you how to design. Let me show you the directory folder. So as I said, inside XAMPP look for htdocs. So the directory folder for the database I've shown you is New Academy. If you click on that, you see these are the files that is controlling whatever thing that you see over here. Okay, everything that you see over here, these are the files behind it. So I'm going to show you how to do all this. So that's why I said don't quit or don't skip any part of the video, watch to the end. Okay, so this is the directory folder for the database I have shown you, but for our own we are going to create it. So inside XAMPP and htdocs, what you have to do is just right click on that, then you go to new, then you go to folder, you click on that, then you name it. So the directory for the name of the directory folder we're going to use for this tutorial is going to be test. So write as I am giving you Test Academy. Okay, Test Academy. So that's the directory folder we're going to use, Test Academy. So you have it here, Test Academy. Okay, make sure you have it nicely being created in your local disk. So as I said, let me go over again. I said you go to your local disk. Okay, to go to your local disk here, double click on that, open it, you look for XAMPP, then inside XAMPP you look for htdocs. You double click that, then inside the htdocs we're going to create our directory folder. So as I said, you just right click anywhere inside that, you go to new, then you choose folder. Then all you have to do is to give a name of your directory folder. As I said, we are going to give it a name as Test Academy. Okay, Test Academy. So this is the directory folder that we are going to have all our files being saved in. Now that we are done, we are going to have our database being created. So how do we do that? So assuming you've downloaded the XAMPP and installed it on your PC. As I said, I will leave a video link under this video description. Go and watch it and learn how to download and install XAMPP, okay, and how to run it on the PC. So assuming you've done that, so we're going to create our database. We'll click on the XAMPP control panel, restart our Apache, then we're going to start our MySQL. Okay, now if you see this port numbers reading, it means, or if you see these green numbers, green around this model, it means the two applications are running. Now what we're going to do is, under MySQL, you come to admin. Okay, so on MySQL, the admin, just click on that. When you click on that, it's going to open my PHP my admin panel for you. It's going to open my PHP admin panel for you. So this is where we're going to create our database. From this page, that we are going to create our database. Okay, now the database or the application, the software I've shown you, this one, this is the database behind it. Let me show you. This is the new academy _database. Okay, so if I click on that, these are the tables behind whatever that you see over here. Everything that you see here, there is a database behind it. So this is the database that we've created for that application, that school management system that I've shown you. So I'm going to show you how to do all these. Okay, so you have a lot of things to do. That's why I said you should not leave this community, be part of this community. We are going to learn a whole lot of stuff, okay, that is going to benefit you in a nearby future. So now that you've come to this PHP my admin, when you come there, just click on new. Okay, you can see the new here. Click on the new. We are going to create our own database. So under database name, just type the name of your database. The database name that we're going to deal with, we're going to have a Test Academy _database. Okay, so we have the database name to be Test Academy _database, which is DB. Okay, so have it as you see on your screen. When you finish, just click on the create and your database will be created for you. So now we have our database being created. So we have it, we have Test Academy _DB. So if I click on that, it will tell you that no tables found in database. It means you've not created any table in the database that you've created. Don't worry, in the nearby future you will learn how to create tables in our database from this particular panel. Okay, so we've learned two major things for our beautiful school management system. I've shown how to create our directory folder where we'll be keeping all our files inside. Then from there, I've shown you how to create a database from PHP my admin. Okay, so I will end the video right here. In the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to create our first PHP file. Okay, we're going to create our first PHP file inside our directory folder, which is the Test Academy. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, so that anytime I upload a new video, you have a notification for that. Share the videos too. Let's make this community a bigger community. I'm going to show you everything from A to Z, how to design this beautiful database using a programming language. As I said, I'll be leaving a video link under this video, so that you watch how to download and install XAMPP locally on your PC. Okay, if you don't have XAMPP on your PC, it will be very difficult to follow me or do whatever that I'm going to teach you to learn. So I'll urge you to watch that particular video and learn how to download and install XAMPP, and also how to download and install Text Editor. These major things that I will urge you to have them before we have our next lesson. Thank you very much for being with me. See you soon.